Welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today I have some Jordan 1s, of course, and some mids. And today we're going to be looking at the unboxing of these some mids I had bought with the George Greens, the episode I did before this one. It comes in the standard box. But these are the Jordan 1 mids. True Blues is what they're called. These came out December 1st. They retail for $125. On StockX, size 12 is going for about $158. So nothing too crazy over retail if you're interested in getting them. And this colorway is probably one of my favorite colorways for a mid. We have, it's almost kind of like a, similar to kind of a Georgetown type of feel that they're going for with that gray and white. But then they throw in this nice, like, not really a navy blue. I don't know what kind of blue to call this, but it's just like, literally like a true blue, not navy, maybe a tad bit of like a royal. And then here, as you can see, this is what I meant for the last episode when I was talking about that it's normally just stamped on here, but on the George Greens, it's a little different. And then I also grabbed the other one. Keep it right there. And then so we also got the blue on the inside with the blue Jordan. They're mids. These mids, they don't come with alternate laces, but that's not really a problem because the blue on that, the blue laces just, I feel like really completed, tied all in with the blue Nike Air here. But just to show you guys, man, it's just a beautiful color. So when I saw these, I had to get them. I actually was gonna get a different mid. At the time when I was going to get my shoes, we had some red, black ones. I forget the name of them, but they're red and black here with the red, basically where this gray is at. And I was going to get those, but then we got these in, and I was like, no, these are the ones because I love this colorway. And you guys know, if you've watched my episodes and watched my videos, that I love mids. People hate on mids. You can say what you want about mids, but I love them, especially if it's a colorway that's clean. And then so here comes with your typical Jordan leather, the classic stiff, smooth leather. So I know on the George Greens I was talking about how they come with the tumble leather, so they won't crease as much. This is that standard stiff kind of leather. So I'm gonna get a little creasing right here, but that doesn't bother me because I'm not selling my shoes, so I don't care about not creasing them. I'm not worried about the resale value of them. But yeah, these are gonna be these two. I'm gonna go ahead. One thing I do love about the mids, they always come laced. The retros, you gotta lace them. Most of the time they come unlaced because they come with alternate laces, so you don't have, if they come with alternate laces, you don't have to untie one and put them on. You can just lace whatever laces you want to lace them with. But I love mids, they always come laced, so I'm just gonna take these two off and then set them up and show you guys the on-foot review. Alrighty, we got them on foot. I don't know what it is about this gray and this blue that just go so well, looks so sexy, but this shoe looks good. It's probably one of my favorite mids, not the favorite, but it's every second I look at them, it's slowly moving up my list. Definitely a top 3 on my mids list. But yeah, again, that blue is just beautiful, and there's no place like home. But we appreciate you guys for watching. This has been another episode with Shoe Game, and we'll catch you guys next time.